over again. Most likely. Okay, what if I went the other way? Well. Well. Okay, yeah, I know. Okay. This one surely. Surely. Oh yeah, no, that's the one. So what am I supposed to do? Am I charging it too much? I can't tell. Does this not feel luck-based? Am I an idiot? Don't answer that. No matter what, it's good. Oh. This is the spinner can move it a bit more. Okay. Okay, I need to move it over more. Okay, wait. That way? Well, that one doesn't count. We wanna... Well, not that one. Oh. I'm gonna go insane. What? You know what? Esports. That was esports. Oh, and I got rewards. There we go. First try. This is what you meant when people said I should go esports, right? Oh, they want me to pat